Audio Jungle.
The 2023 BMW XM has officially started series production. The electrified high-performance crossover will reach dealerships next spring, but XM assembly is happening right now in Spartanburg, South Carolina. The XM debuted in September to no small amount of fanfare. It's the first M-specific vehicle since the iconic BMW M1, but with 644 horsepower and a mass of over 3 tons, it's no M1 successor. It's the heaviest production Bimmer ever offered, and it's also the first to feature an electrified powertrain from BMW M. And then there's the exterior design, which is as polarizing as it is unique. Any way you slice it, the XM stands out. BMW doesn't offer any estimated production figures for the XM, but with a starting price of $159,995, it's safe to assume volumes will be lower. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.